BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So last week there was no dev and beta channel insider builds that rolled out, but yesterday on the 6th of April 2022, Microsoft has rolled out the latest Windows 11 insider preview build 22593 to both the dev and beta channels once again. So I thought that in this video we just take a quick look at some of the key highlights and changes in build 22593. Now, just a quick reminder, if you are an insider, that because the dev and beta channels are receiving the same builds currently, that you still have a limited amount of time and opportunity to switch channels. And Microsoft says this window will close once they release builds with higher build numbers to the dev channel. So just keep that in mind if you are an insider. Now in build 22593, Microsoft says there's only a handful of changes and improvements, but there are a lot of fixes, they say, that will improve insiders' overall experiences on their devices. Now, the first key changes and improvements are to do with the Windows 11 File Explorer. And the File Explorer is getting a lot of attention in the preview builds lately. And these are just screenshots I'm using from build 22593. Now, unfortunately, with this latest preview build, there is still no tab support in the File Explorer, which I have been posting on over the last while. But as I mentioned in a video I posted yesterday, that the preview builds will in the near future start getting tab support being tested in the File Explorer in up and coming preview builds according to Microsoft. But this week there is still no tab support, but there are three key changes as we can see in the File Explorer for build 22593. And the first is that the default homepage of File Explorer is now called Home. And this was also actually previously called Quick Access, which has been now changed to Home. And the pinned frequent folders section is now called Quick Access. And the pinned files section is now called Favorites, which Microsoft says is to keep it in line with Office and OneDrive. So those are the three key changes to the File Explorer this week with build 22593. And there is just one other change to mention quickly, that the recent and pinned files displayed in Home, which was previously called Quick Access, the files here are now searchable using the search box in File Explorer, even if they are not local files. And Microsoft says this is so you can find Office files recently shared with you. And then if we just go to the next screenshot, this is regarding Microsoft Journal, which is now pinned by default on the pen menu. And Microsoft says that if you don't have the app installed, it will be installed from the Microsoft Store if chosen on the pen menu. So that's a change regarding the Microsoft Journal and the taskbar. And just to mention some quick changes quickly for you, quick mentions regarding windowing. If you press Win and Z, that's the shortcut keys, Win and Z, to open Snap layouts, all the layouts will now show associated numbers, so you can quickly use the number keys to select your desired and preferred layout. And then next quick mention and change is to do with focus. Microsoft have added 5-minute increments for everything under half an hour to focus session length options. And then the last and third and final screenshot is regarding Windows security and the core isolation and memory integrity, which I have posted some videos on previously on this channel. Now, memory integrity is a feature in Windows 11 that's designed to prevent attacks from inserting malicious code into high security processes. And this feature can be found in Windows security under device security, core isolation. And Microsoft say that in build 22593, they will notify you that this feature is currently turned off. So if this feature is turned off, they will notify you so that action can be taken for you to turn it back on, so that your device is secure against possible malicious attacks. So core isolation, memory integrity, if it's turned off, they will notify you to prevent malicious attacks so that you can turn it back on if required. And that's mainly the key three highlights regarding the File Explorer, the Windows Journal, and the memory integrity being turned off. Those are the three quick mentions. And as I did mention at the start of this video, that there are a lot of bug fixes according to Microsoft in build 22593. And I have mentioned the key highlights for you. And I will leave a link down below to this webpage for the latest release notes for build 22593, as there are too many bug fixes to mention in this video, and you can go check those out for yourself if you are interested. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.